Jake.
Yeah.
You got any aces?
Go fish. Do you have any Jack? You got any seven?
Oh, sure, here, dude. Man.
She is fire.
What?
Thanks, you guys.
The girl we've been staring at for 2 hours.
Oh, yeah, for sure, man.
Good grief.
Oh my gosh! Do you like stare me? I didn't know that. This is so weird. Hey! Hey, Leonard! You're such a cute rat. Yes, you are. You're such a cute fish. You want a carrot?
I'm gonna write that little fireball letter.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna write her a letter.
That's what I'm doing.
That's what I'm doing too.
Good grief.
Bring it.
What should I do? Ah. I have an idea.
What is that?
This, my friend, is the Scholes and Gilden Glidden typewriter. As I turn it on, as you see, I can type all I want. If I want to write hello, I just write H-E-L-L-O.
No way.
It is beautiful.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it was invented by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1868.
That's this year.
Yes, it is.
That's like revolutionary.
Incredible.
Dear Matilda, if water were kisses, I'd give you the sea. If hugs were leaves, I'd give you a tree. But all I can promise you is eternity.
Feisty little sucker.
Matilda, I wrote you a letter.
The what?
I wrote you a letter.
Pear. I can't read this.
Look at you.
Thanks. Oh, Josh!
Yeah, man.
Mwah.
Go.
Get that cow! Get it! Seriously, oh man.
All right,
Oh, I got him! Woo!
Alright, we're
I
good.
got him!
You hit him?
Yeah.
It's a typewriter. Wow. Invented by a very wise man in the 1800s.
I've never heard of it. I've never heard of this thing. I mean, I haven't seen
His
it.
name escapes my mind at the moment.
But I didn't, you know, like just.
I'll go do some research real quick. It was made by Chris Scholes.
This year?
Yep, this year, 1848.
Wow.
Actually, correction, 1874. It's pretty penny as well. I had to sell my family. People might say it's prostitution, but well, I think I'm gonna go.